Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing today? It's 8:23 a.m. on Tuesday, the 28th of August already, and we have some great news, guys. Great news in regards to Dash. Dash has significantly jumped the past 24 hours, and they have a couple of great things going on with their coin. I mean, they've made many strides in just the past 24 hours. First stride being Dash partners with Crypto Mobile to launch phones preloaded with Dash. Alright, so phones, I think this is a Latin American company. Alright, Venezuela, which needs it, with their basically worthless currency down there. But we're seeing an incredible transition period in Latin America with those who are unbanked, underbanked, or simply do not want to use traditional banking system, combining our success. Affordable phones with Dash's instant send transaction capabilities and low fees will provide a myriad of benefits to those communities, and those with the addition of Bit Refill and other Dash apps such as Dash Wallet, our phones right out of the box. There's simply no easier way to start using cryptocurrencies like Dash in everyday life. Alright, new partnership comes with the adoption loop to getting new Dash users. Venezuela primed for a Dash explosion. Okay, so this is the first bit of news that's awesome. And let me explain something. This is exactly what Electroneum is doing. Alright? Instant send transaction capabilities, well, that's what Electroneum has. Their patent pending is for instant payments. Alright? Electroneum is essentially looking to be the unbanked coin as well. Now, I'm not sure about the coin supply. Max supply is 18 billion, and I think ETNs is 21. Oh, 18 million. Excuse me. So divide that by 10. What is, was that $18 or something like that? So essentially, this is what Electroneum is doing. Now, we'll find out a lot more in the next month about Electroneum, because that's when a lot of things are supposed to start happening with the instant pay system, as well as the iOS wallet, so on and so forth. So Electroneum is extremely cheap right now, and this might be the perfect time to get some coming off the heels of this news, because Electroneum already has deals with phone companies. Alright, Dash is announcing their first phone company. Well, Electroneum already has a phone company deal. Actually, multiple mobile deals, as far as I know. Okay, so this is great news. And then the other bit of news, and as far as Dash goes, is, let's see, Neptune. This is the other cool news. Alright, Neptune Dash is an investment company that allows you to buy shares of Dash masternode, much like StakeCube does for those other coins. Many of the coins are not, like, these aren't super coins, but they're good ones. LPC is good, Logic's coin is good, but Dash is definitely much better. So Neptune Dash allows you to invest in a masternode share, much in the same way StakeCube is doing. But it looks like it's meant for institutional investors. Right? Dash masternodes currently earn approximately 7% annually for managing the infrastructure to process instant and private transactions on the Dash network. Okay. So that's, 7% a year. I mean, if you have $1 million in Dash, or you had, if you had Dash when it was cheap, and now it's worth $1 million, and you just use it for masternodes, you'll make $70K passively. That's incredible. But anyway, that's what their job is. All right, this is what this company does. They take your Dash, put it in masternode slots, and you get income from Dash. Now they don't have like a buy button or anything. I think it's you just connect with them, contact them, and then you go from there. It doesn't seem like it's a simple process. You probably have to be vetted, things like that. But I mean, if you have the money, if you have the Dash available, and you're trying to make passive income, this is something that you should look into. Alright, now let's take a look at StakeCube. This is the best investment, quote unquote investment. I don't want to call it investment officially because you know how things are with the investment terminology. But this is the best place to put your crypto right now. Alright, I'm earning a lot just from sticking it in here. Alright, I have multiple masternodes of LGS, masternode slots. There's 142 available now, so if you get in right now, send some Bitcoin over to Coin Exchange, buy some LGS, you have a lot of opportunities to get the masternode slots that are available. Alright, and then of course Bitcoin Green is available. Blocknode is available. LPC is acting funny. It's not really, I don't know, something's up with it. So I took my coins out of there and got more LGS. But let me see if I can force it. I think I already claimed this like 11 hours ago. Okay. Yeah, I did this last night. So I can't get any right now. But guys, this is the best opportunity there is right now for the little guy. Alright, by far, this is the best opportunity for the little guy. So hit that link in the description box. Check it out. Definitely, LGS is probably the best one, best bet right now. Bitcoin Green is another good one. Blocknode. Anything that has a node is good, but you want a coin that has a lot of volume. And largest coin has the most volume, right? There's about $1.2 million in volume every day. Alright, Blocknode has a good volume. Bitcoin Green has a good volume. A lot of these other coins do not have very good volume, so you don't want to put a lot into them. Right? You only want to put money into something that has a lot of volume so that you're able to sell it immediately if you have to. You don't want to have anything sitting in the orders, in the sell orders block, waiting forever to get sold. Right? So, anyway, that's all for now, guys. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Peace.